Alright guys, I want to show you how to make the easiest breakfast cookie. It is so easy, you're going to ask yourself why I didn't make it all along. Now you're going to need some old-fashioned oats. I just found all of these in my fridge and I'm just gonna put it in there. But mainly you need bananas. That will help it to rise and keep it moist, and also applesauce. So you can mix and match. You don't have to use all of these. You can use raisins or whatever you have available to you. I'm going to be using raisins. I found a little bit of cranberry, some chocolate nibs, almond, and some shredded coconut. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share our video if you can. Subscribe to the channel. Put on your post notification bell so you can be aware when we post that video. Don't go anywhere. Let's get started. So I've added the applesauce to the banana. Also going to go in with some vanilla. And our cinnamon powder. Of course you want to make this taste nice. And a little bit of salt. So we're just gonna add the banana mixture to the oats. Give it a quick blend. We can add in everything else. And remember guys, you can have this you know, as a quick breakfast option if you're on the go, especially if you have to work, or you know, you want something quick, you don't want to cook anything. This goes perfect, and it's very filling. You can see oats is filled with fiber, and you have a little treat in there, the chocolate nibs, the raisins as a sweetener, your almond as well for protein. You know, I just think this is perfect. And remember, your banana works as a sweetener, so you don't need any sugar or any sweetener. But if you so choose to, you can add a little bit of agave or any sweetener of your choice. What I did to actually make them look somewhat identical, I use a 1/4 cup of measuring spoon to just measure them out, and then I just fold it out onto the baking mat. Pretty easy here. Don't require a lot of work guys. These are super easy and they're so delicious. And don't forget, at this time you can preheat your oven for 5 minutes and you can bake these at 200 degrees, all right, for 15 minutes. There you have it guys, my oatmeal soft vegan cookie. Now if you give this recipe a try, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and don't forget guys to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.